In today's video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to start your very own chicken coop, from choosing the right breeds to setting up a safe and comfortable coop. Let's dive into it. First up, let's talk about choosing your chickens. For beginners, I recommend breeds like Rhode Island Reds, Buff Orpingtons, and Sussex. These breeds are known for their gentle temperaments and are great egg layers to perfect if you want a steady supply of eggs. Now, let's design your coop. A good coop should have enough space for your chickens to move around, about 3-4 square feet per chicken. Make sure it's well ventilated, has a solid roof, and includes roosting bars, nesting boxes, and predator proofing to keep them safe from raccoons, hawks, or other threats. Make sure your coop is easy to clean and provides a comfortable, secure environment for your chickens to roost and lay eggs. Feeding your chickens right is key to their health. Chickens need a balanced diet with grains and protein. You can buy a good quality commercial feed designed for egg layers, but it's also important to supplement with calcium for stronger eggshells. When it comes to water, make sure they have fresh, clean water daily. Clean water is crucial, as dirty water can lead to health problems. If it's particularly hot where you live, make sure they have a shaded water source to keep them cool. Keeping your chickens healthy is essential. Look out for bright, clear eyes, a strong comb, and active behavior. These are signs of a healthy chicken. Common issues to watch for include mites, respiratory problems, or digestive issues, but regular cleaning and good nutrition go a long way to prevent these. There are also natural remedies you can use, like adding apple cider vinegar to their water for immunity or garlic for gut health. And don't forget to give them extra warmth during winter or shade in summer, as chickens are sensitive to extreme weather. Developing a daily routine is one of the most satisfying parts of chicken farming. Each morning, check on their food and water, give them fresh bedding if needed, and make sure the coop is clean. Chickens love routines and actually get excited to see you when it's feeding time. I also recommend setting up a dust bath area. Chickens naturally bathe in dust to keep their feathers clean and parasite-free. And try giving them treats like mealworms or chopped veggies. They love it. Adding toys or hanging greens in the coop can help keep them entertained and happy. And there you have it, everything you need to get started with chicken farming. Raising chickens is incredibly rewarding, and you'll find that the more you care for them, the more joy they bring to your life. If you're excited about starting your own coop, hit that subscribe button for more tips on chicken farming and sustainable living. Drop any questions you have in the comments below. I'd love to help you on your journey. Until next time, happy farming.